In this video, I will be showing you how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So let's get started. First thing, just come to the profile of your Instagram account. For that, just press your profile icon at the bottom. After this, to the rightmost top, you'll be having the three lines icon. Click that. And here, click on Account Center. In the Account Center, at the bottom we will be having Manage Accounts. Click it, and here just click on Manage. We'll be having this deactivation or deletion. Click that, and here we are given two options. One is deactivate and delete account. The difference is straightforward. Deactivating account is temporary, you can easily recover it back, but deleting the account is permanent. All our information will be gone. In my case, I will just click on delete account, click on continue, and again click on continue. Just select the option why you are leaving Instagram and click on continue. And here it's giving us a last chance to prevent us from deleting. It says deactivate your account instead, but I don't want that. I will just click on no, continue with deletion. Export your information. If you want to do that, you can do that. I'm fine. I'll just click on continue and just re-enter your password here. And here it clearly says, right, my account will be permanently deleted on 7th March. So it gives us 1 month of time, and in case if you feel I have deleted my account as a mistake, you can simply log in back before that 1 month and that will cancel your deletion. So if you leave a gap more than 1 month, that's it, your account is permanently gone. Now just click on delete account.